What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 9 big tech stocks. But before we start this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you want to get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading in my Discord, definitely check out the Patreon link below in the description. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And now let's get right into Tesla, which is up 2%. And look at this move here on Tesla. Still holding above 167, not giving up the support. And that means one thing. Tesla can go all the way up to 177 early as tomorrow. Now, if you look at my screen right here, blue line 5 SMA sitting at 170. So now Tesla trading above blue line 5 SMA and also above white line 20 SMA, which is sitting at 168. So on a pullback, 170, 168, even 167, all the way down to 164. All those are support level on Tesla. 164 gives up, then watch out for this gap down here at 162.95. To the upside, Tesla can hold 170. We're going to see a quick push, a quick trip all the way up to 177 to this gap right here on top. And now we're going to look at Apple. On Apple stock, absolutely flat day, and once again Apple came down to 172. And look at this dip buying, guys, below blue line 5 SMA, which is sitting at 173, and into closing it's actually holding, rising blue line 5 SMA on this daily chart, sitting at 173, and the dip was bought up again off of this level right here, 172, and now Apple stock trading above 173, holding rising blue line 5 SMA on this daily chart as a support. So tomorrow on a pullback, 173 will be a key level, and below that watch out for all the way down to even 170. Now to the upside, Apple stock tomorrow can hold 173. Now this thing can go all the way up to not only 174, even 176 possible tomorrow on Apple stock. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. On Microsoft, it's only down 0.70% on the day, and this was a nice, fantastic day trade I took on Microsoft today, right off of 306, 310 calls. And not only calls went in the money, over the money, this thing went all the way up to 311.12, and now trading above 310, once again holding 310 as a support. And look at this dip buying, guys. And I was one of those dip buyers today on Microsoft, sold out for a nice profit today, and now Microsoft holding 310 as a support. So going into tomorrow, guys, key level to watch on Microsoft, now 310. Below that, 304, rising 13 SMA, and then 300. To the upside, 310 can hold. We're going to see a quick trip all the way up to 320 on Microsoft. Now we have upper Bollinger Band expanded all the way up to even 321. And now we're going to look at Google. On Google stock, this thing was gapping up early in the morning. It was up 2%, and now if you add another 2%, it's up over 4% today. So Google stock sitting at 116.90, almost at 117. And I actually got some puts right here, just around 118, 115 puts, and I think it's going to make some money. Google stock extremely overbought, trading above not only upper Bollinger Band, we left this massive gap open today, 113.51, and that could get closed early as tomorrow on Google stock. Now Google definitely bullish. I'm not saying that Google stock will crash or anything. We're going to retest probably this breakout right here, 109, 110, now align with this rising 5 SMA. So watch out for that, guys. 110 will be a dip buy on Google stock. Tomorrow on Google stock, support level to watch, definitely this gap up here, 113.51. That is going to be a support also because we have upper Bollinger Band sitting at 113. This Bollinger Band will continue to move even higher, and then we're going to see higher prices on Google stock. And I think with the buyback, 150 is coming on Google stock. It's not going to happen in one day, but I think in next few weeks to months, we're going to see 150 on Google stock. Now on a pullback, definitely a big support, the breakout 110, so watch out for that. and below that watch out for 108 to 107 white line 20 SMA, and then 105. To the upside, Google stock can run. If this thing can hold above 113, we could see a move all the way up to even 120 on Google stock. And now we're going to look at Amazon. On Amazon stock, it's up 1.81% on the day, and also a massive breakout on Amazon. It's holding above 109, and that is a strong support on Amazon and the breakout. Now below that, we also have support and the gap close down here at 106.79. To the upside, Amazon can hold anything close to 109 to 110 upper Bollinger Band. We're going to see a quick trip all the way up to 114. And now we're going to look at Netflix. And look at this insanity on Netflix. And I called it out last night in my video saying that going into tomorrow, if there is a dip down to 333, there is gonna be a dip buy on Netflix. As long as Netflix can hold 333 as a support, we're going to see a quick trip up to 340, 342. And what do you know? Now it's sitting at 345, up 2.78% on the day. So Netflix going into tomorrow, guys, getting a bit overextended. Watch out for the support, upper Bollinger Band, 341, 337, 333, blue line 5 SMA now also is going to act as a support on Netflix. Above 337, Netflix can run now all the way up to 350. And now we're going to look at Nvda. On Nvda stock, it's down 1%, which is nothing compared to this massive move to the upside. So tomorrow, Nvda stock needs to get above 288, 289, and then we could see more upside all the way up to 294. To the downside, Nvda will have strong support at 277, white line 20 SMA, and below that watch out for 269. Nvda stock definitely needs a pullback, possibly down to 269, and some of these gaps needs to get closed on Nvda down here, guys. 211, 232, and it's not nowhere near close to these gaps, and that's why if you're going long on Nvda here, that's not a good entry on Nvda. You want to wait for a decent pullback on Nvda, at least down to, I would say right here, 211 to 232 before even touching Nvda to go long on the stock. And now we're going to look at Meta. And Meta is up 1.16% on the day, and low for the day 232, holding on to orange line 13 SMA, rising 13 SMA, sitting at 232, and that was a support for a dip by today on Meta. This thing went back up all the way up to 238, almost took out the resistance at 237, but end of the day came back and now holding 235 as a support, blue line 5 SMA on this daily chart. So Meta on a mission to break 237. And if that happens tomorrow, guys, nothing is stopping Meta from going all the way up to 248. And now upper Bollinger Band will allow the stock to move higher all the way up to even 250. Now on a pullback, watch out for the support 235, 232, what we held today, orange line 13 SMA, and below that 226.49, and that is going to be a critical support, rising daily 20 SMA on this daily chart on Meta. AMD stock is absolutely flat on the day, holding on to upper Bollinger Band as a support at 97, low for the day 96.14, high for the day 99.19, and now trading at 97. So tomorrow on a pullback below 97, upper Bollinger Band, watch out for the support at 94.81, rising blue line 5 SMA, and if that gives up, down here at 92 and then $88. To the upside, AMD can hold above 94.81. We're going to see another quick trip all the way up to 100 on AMD. And that's all I have for you guys tonight. Thank you so much for watching.